Hey everyone, want to create AI videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI-powered videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account or create one if you're new to the platform. Next, click Create to start a new project. You can generate a video from a text prompt, an image, or another supported input. Now write a clear and detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. Adding details about the scene, style, camera movement, and lighting usually produces better results. If you're starting with an image, upload it and choose the animation or video generation option. Next, adjust your project settings, such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style, depending on the available options. Click Generate and wait for Pika AI to create your video. This may take a few moments based on the complexity of your request. Once the video is ready, preview the result. If needed, edit your prompt or settings and generate another version. When you're satisfied, download your AI video or share it directly from the platform if sharing options are available. And that's how you create AI videos with Pika AI. With detailed prompts and the right settings, you can produce impressive videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.